So our question number 1 is find common logarithm of these following values. So start the solution. First value is log of 232.92. As we know that first of all we will find characteristic. For characteristic, first of all we will draw the reference point. Reference point after first non-zero digit. So in between reference point and the decimal point there are two numbers, so we will write characteristic 2, and this 232 is a number which is greater than 1, so for greater than 1 we will write positive sign. So my characteristic is equal to 2. Now we will find mantissa. So for mantissa we will take first 4 non-zero digits. This is 23 to 9. If we will make pair of these, so my first pair is 23, then 2 and then 9. Now I will check these numbers in our logarithm table. So in a logarithmic table my first number is 23. This is 23. I will check 23 in 2. 23 in 2. This is equal to 3655. 3655. Now after this I will check in 9. So this is 23 and this is 9. This is equal to 17. So I will add these two numbers. This is the value of mantissa. Now for the log is equal to log of 232.92 is equal to, first of all I will write characteristic which is equal to 2, and then after this I will write mantissa which is equal to 3672. This is my answer. My next question is log of 29.326. Now first of all I will find its characteristic. So after first non-zero digit I will draw the reference point. In between reference point and decimal point there is one number, so my characteristic is equal to 1, and this is greater than 1, number is greater than 1, that's why I will write plus sign with characteristic. Now I will find mantissa. So first of all I will check 29 in 3 and then 2. So this is 4669 plus 3. After adding it, this is 12746. So my log is equal to log of 29.326. First part is characteristic is equal to 1, then decimal, and mantissa is equal to 4672. This is my answer. Same as like this, first of all I will find characteristic. So after first non-zero digit I will draw reference point, and reference point and decimal point there are 4 numbers, and you also see that this is 0.00032. This whole number is less than 1, so for less than 1 number we will write negative sign with characteristic. Now we will find mantissa. So this is 32. For mantissa this is only 32, and we also know that at the end of the decimal point there are a lot of zeros, but we cannot write it. So we will check 32 in 0 if we after making the pairs. This is 32 and this is 0. We will check 32 in 0. This is 505. After checking 32 in 0 and after 0 in mean difference column, but we will see that there is no 0 column in mean difference column, so that's why we will not include this 0. This is enough. So log of 0.00032 is equal to, first of all, characteristic minus 4, then decimal point and 5051. This is my answer. Now my fourth part, characteristic for the reference point. This is equal to 1, and for mantissa we will check 32 in 0 and then 6. So after checking, this is 5051 plus 8. After adding, this will be equal to 5059, and this is less than 1, so we will write negative sign with its characteristic. So my answer is equal to minus 1.5059. For second question, question number 2, find values of followings. The condition is given if log of 31.09 is equal to 1.4926. This is the answer of this value, means its characteristic is equal to 1 and mantissa is equal to 4926. Then we will find the values of these 4 values. If we concentrate on these 4 values, you will see that this number 3109 is the same in all the questions. 3109, 3109, 3109, 3109. Only the difference is that decimal point. This is 3 point, this is 0.003, this is 310 point, and this is 0.31. Means that in these questions the value of characteristic will be changed, but the value of mantissa cannot change, because for mantissa we will use all these values. 3109, this is give same in all the questions, so we will write again and again the mantissa is 4926, but the value of characteristic will be changed because the position of decimal in each question is changed. So for the first value, characteristic is equal to, this is the reference point. So in reference point and decimal point there is nothing, no number, so characteristic is equal to 0. So the value of this number is equal to 0.0 is the characteristic, and mantissa is equal to 4926. We will use 4926 as it is. Similarly, for the next question, characteristic is equal to, this is the reference point. So for the reference point, this is 3 digits in between reference point and decimal point. We will write 3, and this is the less than 1, because starting from 0.003109, so this whole number is less than 1. We will use negative sign with this, and mantissa is equal to 4926. So the value of log of 0.003109 is equal to minus 3.4926. So for the next value, characteristic will be there. So characteristic is equal to 2, and this is 310.9. this is greater than 1, that's why characteristic must be positive number. And for mantissa we will know that this is 4926. So the value of this log of 310.9 is equal to 2.4926. Similarly, for that question, this is the reference point. Characteristic is equal to 1 minus, because this is less than 1, and mantissa will be same for all values, 4926. So our answer of this value is equal to minus 1.4926. This is the answer. My question number 3 is find numbers whose common logarithms are. we will discuss this question when we will discuss the anti-logarithm, because in the solution of these questions we will use anti-logarithm. In question number 4, he said that find the values of unknowns. Unknowns mean the variables. In each and every question there is a variable, as like this, there is L, here is A, this is N and P. So we will find the value of L, A, N and P. All these are logarithms of a real number because their base is equal to real number. These bases are not equal to 10. So for these questions, these type of questions, we will use the forms of logarithm: logarithmic form and exponential form. So first of all, we will convert this logarithmic form in exponential form. So I will write in exponential form. This is equal to base. First of all, first time we will write base, then power, and then this 81. This is the exponential form. So we will find the factorization of this 81. If we will do the rough work on it, so this is 81. Divide it on 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, and 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. So there is 1 2 3 4. 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of L is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So for the rule, if the bases are same, then exponents will be equal. If bases are same, then exponents will be equal. That's why L is equal to 4, and this is my answer. For the next question, in exponential form, this is equal to a to the power of 0.5 is equal to 6, and we also know that this 0.5 is equal to 1 over 2 is equal to 6. So now we will eliminate this 2 because we have to find the value of a. So squaring on both sides, this is equal to a 1 over 2 whole 2 is equal to 6 square. This 2 cancel out with this one. This is equal to a, and 6 square mean 6 multiply with 6, which is equal to 36. So that means a is equal to 36 is my answer. Next is part 3. This is 5 power 2 is equal to n. So we know that 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to n. So 5 5 25 is equal to n. This is the answer. Next is 10 to the power of p is equal to 40. This is also in exponential form. So we will convert it into logarithmic form. So in logarithm form, this is equal to log base 10 40 is equal to p. We also know that log base 10 is equal to common logarithm. So we can write it as like log of 40 is equal to p. Now we will find the log of 40. So for the log of 40, first of all we will find characteristic. So its characteristic, this is the reference point after first non-zero digit and decimal point. So in decimal and reference point there is only one digit. So characteristic is equal to 1, and this is 40 greater than 1, that's why characteristic is positive. Now mantissa. So we will check 40 in 0. This is 6021. So for the answer, characteristic is 1, point mantissa is 6021, which is equal to P, and this is the answer of this question. Now question number 5 is evaluate log of 2 1 over 128. So first of all we will let it equal to any variable. So I will write log of 2 into 1 over 128 is equal to x. Now we will convert it into exponential form. In exponential form. So in exponential form this is equal to 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 128. Now we will find the prime factorization of 128. So prime factorization of 128 is equal to 1 over 2 power 7. So 2 power x is equal to, this is in denominator, when we convert it into numerator the power turned into negative sign, so it will be equal to 2 raised to power minus 7. We also know that if bases are same, then exponents will be equal. So this is equal to x is equal to minus 7. My next question is log 512 to the base 2 into square root of 2, as like this. Log of base 2 square root of 2 is 512. So first of all let it equal to any variable. So I will write it is equal to y. Now we convert it into in exponential form. This is equal to 2 square root of 2 square root of 2 to the power of y is equal to 512. Now convert it into exponential form. This is 2 whose power is equal to 1. This is 2 whose power is equal to 1 over 2. So when bases are same, then exponents can get add. So this is equal to 2, 1 its power, and its power is 1 over 2. I will write 1 over 2, and the whole power is equal to y. And find the prime factorization of 512. So prime factorization of 512 is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So here 128 to the power 7, and add these two 1 7 8 9. So 2 to the power of 9, and taking LCM of this value, this is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2, y is equal to 2 power 9. When bases are same, then exponents will be equal. So this is equal to 3/2y is equal to 9. Simplify this. Y is equal to 9 multiply 2/3. The reciprocal of this 3/2 on the other side, this is equal to 2/3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and y is equal to 3 2s are 6. This is my answer. My next question is question number 6. Find the value of x. Same question, same method. So solution, first of all we will convert it into exponential form. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 5 is equal to x. 2 power 5 means 2 multiply 5 times, which is equal to x. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Second question, again convert into exponential form. First of all we will write base, then this 2 is equal to 64. So x is equal to the power of 2. We also know that 64 is 8 8s are 64. So when exponents are equal, then bases are equal. This implies that x is equal to 8 is my answer. Next question is 81 to the power of x is equal to 9. We also know that 81 prime factorization is 9 9s are 81, means 9 power 2 is equal to 81, and this x is equal to 9. 9 power is equal to 1. When bases are same, then exponents will be equal. So this implies that 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1/2. This is my answer. Next question is, first of all convert it into also exponential form. So 3 power 4 is equal to x. This is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to x. Multiply 3 with 4 times, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 81 is equal to x. And this is my answer. And this is the end of this exercise. I hope you will understand it properly. So if you like my lecture, then please subscribe my channel, and also touch the bell icon for the next instant videos. So till then, Allah.